Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here and quickly show you guys a little bit about your vision board, what it even is, and how to start it. So if you are on Teams, you'll see this week's task. Watch this video, which you're obviously watching. Open the assignment vision board project and then answer the questions in step 1 to help you brainstorm and then create your vision board. So there's 2 ways you can locate your assignment. The first one is if you scroll down, you'll see it here. If you don't see it there for some reason at the top here, you can click on assignments and you'll see there's past assignments on here as well as current ones. So if you scroll down, click on the vision board project. Yours won't look like this. Let me go into student view. You will see this right here. Go ahead and click on vision board doc. You'll be able to type straight in this. I cannot type in it because since I am not a student, but you will be able to. Let me know if there's any issues with that. So a quote that I really liked, a goal without a plan is just a wish. And so I want that to resonate with you because I think it's useful and beneficial for you guys to create these boards so that it helps you with your goals, your dreams, and your aspirations for your future. So a vision board is a collection of images and words that represent the things you want in life, the things you want to do, the things you want to learn, and the things you want to be. So often these boards are not digital, they're hands-on creations where you're cutting images from magazines or printing them and gluing it all together on a poster board with some words on there. This is fun, but I know that some of you guys may not have all that stuff handy for yourself. So I'm going to show you a way that you can create it digitally. Now, you still can do the old school way, but any way is fine with me, whatever you prefer. So here you see the questions that I was referring to. These are the ones that I want you to answer. You can type straight in there. Make sure you use complete sentences. So if you run your cursor over by this question mark here and you click there, you'll be able to start typing. Again, I can't because I'm not a student, but you will be able to. Once you're done answering these 8 questions, make sure you put some thought into it and answer them completely. You can start thinking about how you're going to create your vision board. When you're doing your vision board, I want you identifying pictures that would represent each one of these questions. So go through and see what type of text, emojis, GIFs, pictures would represent your answers to these questions. Now, you can do I need to do at least 8 pictures, but obviously more than that would be better because then it would fill up your page a little bit more. So some of these questions might have multiple pictures or text, and that's fine. Next, I want you to figure out how you're going to organize your vision board. Is it going to be super organized? It's going to be a little bit chaotic? Is it going to be a little bit of both? Whatever you prefer, just be original and be creative. Some options you can use is Sway, PowerPoint, Word, or any other digital platform. Again, you can go old school if you'd like to as well. When you are done with this though, and you want to post it to the Padlet, the link is right here. As a reminder for when you're posting to Padlet, you're going to click on this plus sign to add your post. Make sure you type in your first name and your last name at the top there so I know that it's you. You can write vision board here or whatever you prefer here. And then you can straight upload a document, take a picture. If you click on these 3 dots here, there's a bunch of options that you can do. So totally up to you. I do want to show you a couple examples though, so let me pop back over here. Here are 2 examples of using magazines and a poster board. This person looks like they printed some of these pictures out. You also can draw pictures if you are an artist. If you keep scrolling down, here are also some vision boards that were created digitally. So again, whatever you prefer, it's totally up to you. I do want to quickly show you how you can easily do this in Word. So if I were to pop on here to Word, up at the top here, if you do layout, the orientation, you can make it into landscape, which will make it longer. You may also make the margins more narrow if you prefer, totally up to you. And when you insert any type of picture, insert a picture here. Actually, let me not go here. Picture, let's do online picture. And let's say I wanted to go to UCLA. So I can type in UCLA and I can see what type of pictures come up. Let's say I like this one. So I can click it, insert it. Now here is key when you're creating a document. This is like my little secret here. Number one, obviously you need to make it whatever size that you want. This little thing here, it's the layout option. And I always will click on this one. If you scroll over, it tells you what it is. And I'll put it in front of the text. That allows you to move it around. So then you can click out of it. And it allows you to move it and place it wherever you wish. And you can also turn it so that it makes it, I don't know, a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. You can also at the top here put picture borders on there. So if I want to make it even fancier, I can throw a border over it to make it look a little bit different. Now you notice this little white box here. Let's see if I can find it. That is giving you the credit to where the picture came from, and you can totally delete that if you wish, if it allows me to. This one might not allow me to. Nope, it doesn't. Nope, maybe it did. All right, so there's that. The other option is to, for your text, you can insert a text box. Just like this. You type in whatever you want. College. And then you can select it all, and you can put whatever type of text font that you want to make it look the way you want it. Clicking here to make it larger. Now, I don't know about you, but I think it looks whack with this border around it, so you can right click it, style, fill, outline. If you click on the arrow for outline, no outline, that takes the border away. The other thing that you can do is do no fill. We'll go back to that, right click it for the fill, no fill, so that there's not, this can go over a picture and you will not be able to see the fill and it won't cover up that picture. I always adjust it so that it fits the actual text. And then you see this as well as here, you can do the same thing, put it over the text so that you can move it around and format it however you wish to do that. You could totally play with that. There's a lot of different options on there. You could also put a border around the page. I mean, there's so many things that you can do. So hopefully that helps you. When you do save this, and you save it as a document, you can upload it into the Padlet as a document as long as you know where you saved it at. So make sure you pay attention to where you saved it at. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. You can ask them right here on Teams. All right, so good luck. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.